Want to jump into the Solana meme coin scene using your Phantom wallet? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of buying Sol and getting started step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by launching your Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app. Once you're in, click Buy Sol with Cash. Step 2. Now type in how much Sol you want to purchase. Make sure it's enough to cover both the coin and gas fees. Step 3. Next, pick your payment method. You can choose between providers or use your debit or credit card depending on what's available in your region. Step 4. Once your amount and payment option are set, go ahead and click the Buy button. Step 5. You'll see a prompt pop up for payment verification. Just follow the instructions to complete the purchase securely. Bonus tip. Once your SOL is in your wallet, head to a Solana-based DEX like Jupiter or Raydium to swap your SOL for any meme coin you want. And that's how to buy Solana meme coins using Phantom Wallet. Smash the like button if this helped, and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick crypto guides. See you next time!